Hello everyone, welcome back to Stock Market Meridian. Today is June 29, 2026 and you're watching today's post-market report. Let's begin with today's market action. Today, markets witnessed noticeable selling pressure. However, in the second half, markets moved in a sideways range and attempted a recovery from lower levels. Despite that recovery attempt, Nifty 50 closed below the important 24,000 psychological level after sustaining above it for the last two trading sessions. This weakness was not limited to our markets alone. Global markets also traded under pressure today. But just like Indian markets, most global indices also attempted to recover from their base lows in the second half. Now let's move to the key geopolitical updates. The US and Iran has officially agreed to halt reciprocal kinetic attacks. Both nations are scheduled to meet in Qatar on Tuesday to discuss and resolve their ongoing maritime dispute regarding safe ship passage through the Strait of Hormuz. Supporting these interim negotiations, Iranian president announced that $6 billion out of Iran's $12 billion frozen asset held by Qatar will be released and returned to Iran. In these neighboring developments, Lebanese parliamentary speaker Nibi Berri, who has close ties with Hezbollah, stated that Beirut's current framework agreement with Israel will not pass, claiming it fails to protect Lebanon's sovereign rights. Meanwhile, the ground situation remained highly critical. Israel forces have reportedly killed three more Palestinians in Gaza, including a child, as tensions continue despite recent US broken ceasefire efforts. So overall, while the pause in US-Iran strikes bring temporary relief to shipping routes and oil market, long-term regional stability still remain highly uncertain. Now let's move to company specific updates. First update is from BEL. BEL management has confirmed that a massive 30,000 crores QRSAM quick research surface to air missile order is expected to be officially awarded in the coming weeks. This large order is expected to directly benefit major players in the QRSAM ecosystem, including BEL, BDL, and suppliers like Apollo Microsystems. The missile segment is expected to become BEL's second largest business segment. Apart from this QRSAM order, the company also has a strong long-term opportunity pipeline through major defense projects such as AMCA, Project Kusha, and P751 by NGC. This gives strong long-term revenue visibility for defense companies. Next update is from Puravankara. Puravankara has signed a major expansion deal in Bengaluru through a joint development agreement instead of directly buying land. This smart asset-light strategy allows the companies to reduce upfront capital risk while expanding aggressively. The project covers 6.4 acres in Sarjapur, Bengaluru, one of the fastest growing locations connected to major IT corridors and electronic city. This project carries a projected gross development value of 1,000 crore rupees. With this addition, Puravankara's total potential project pipeline for this quarter has been reached 5,200 crores. Next update is from Oberoi Realty. Oberoi Realty has officially launched its highly anticipated luxury residential project in Gurugram called 360 North. The ultra-luxury development spans 14.8 acres and including 7 premium residential towers. And the project is directly targeting ultra-high net worth buyers in NCR region, with apartment prices starting from 18 crores onwards. This marks a major expansion for Oberoi Realty into the premium Gurugram housing market. Next update is from Nitin Spinners. The company is aggressively expanding production capacity. Once the new capacity becomes operational, management expects approximately 1,000 crores in additional revenue. Commercial production is expected to begin in the second half of this financial year. And the company also clarified that it is not exiting the yarn business. Instead, it is increasing spinning capacity while shifting more towards value-added fabric products. According to reports, this move could improve margins by 100 to 150 basis points. This expansion could drive both revenue growth and higher profitability. Next update is from Omaxe, and this is one of the most interesting updates today. Omaxe, known for real estate development across residential, commercial, retail, and hospitality segment, is now aggressively entering the tourism and hotel sector. The company has announced a dedicated hospitality vertical with a massive investment of 6,200 crores. Once stabilized, this business could potentially generate around 1,000 crores annual revenue. What makes this Especially interesting is Omaxe current market capitalization is only around 1400 crore rupees. That means the company is investing more than 4 times of its current market value into this new business segment. This could significantly transform the company's long-term growth story. Next update is from Transrail Lighting. The company has secured fresh order worth 459 crore rupees. This strengthens its order book and provides better revenue visibility for upcoming quarters. Management also highlighted that this contract strengthens the company's growing global footprint in the power transmission and distribution sector. Next update is from Zydus Life Science. Zydus has officially updated its acquisition roadmap. Company has executed a business transform agreement to acquire the complete API business of Sterling Biotech. The transaction is expected to be completed on or before September 30, 2026. And with this acquisition will help Zydus secure critical fermentation based ingredients, reduce supply chain dependency and improve margins. And the final update is related to EV sector. The Delhi cabinet has approved a brand new electric vehicle policy which is expected to be implemented from July 1st. Under this policy, from January 1st, 2027, only electric auto rickshaws can be newly registered in Delhi. Non-electric auto registration will be completely stopped. Further, from April 1st, 2028, only electric two-wheelers will be allowed for new registration. Also, to encourage scrapping of old vehicles, government is offering a 1 lakh rupees scrapping incentive for BS4 four-wheelers. Additionally, the government plans to invest 15,000 crores over the next 4 years to strengthen EV infrastructure and charging networks. This policy could create major long-term opportunities for EV-related businesses like M&M, Bajaj Auto, and TVS Motors. At the same time, traditional fuel and gas-based vehicle sales may face some pressure in coming years. However, many buyers planning to purchase conventional vehicles may accelerate purchase before this deadline. Overall, this is a major structural shift for India's EV ecosystem. So, what do you think about this new mandatory EV deadline? Let me know your views in the comment section below. That's all for today's post-market report. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the Stock Market Meridian. I will see you on tomorrow's pre-market video. Thanks for watching. Signing off. Bye bye. Jai Hind.